One of the things I do like about the new themes is that there's this back to top button. So I can actually, and most people are used to that, especially on a mobile view, that they can see that, they can click on that and they go back to the top of the page.
Yeah.
The other thing is when I build a website on the desktop version, you can see that when you start scrolling, it sort of minimizes the menu a little bit. On a view where there's a mobile or tablet, you just get what they call the hamburger menu. It's 3 horizontal lines.
Uh-huh.
So can I simulate that here? Let me see. I took and just, yeah. Okay, what I did is I just shrunk the browser. And so now we've got the hamburger menu and there's the how it works.
Okay.
So yeah. Oh, I think what I really would like to do here is as long as you're online,
Make sure it's coming to us.
I want to make sure this goes through.
Is there a way to change who that goes to also?
Right now, it's just going to info.
Okay. Is there a way to add another person or change
Oh
it at
yeah,
all?
yep. We'll do that. Okay. First of all, I'm going to hit. Oh, it didn't like that, huh? Maybe it didn't like the phone number format. Invalid email. Oh, okay. Did I put the email on the phone and vice versa? No, that's the phone number. I tested this before and it went to my email address because I was just doing my email address. So now we're in the module settings. Let's go here. And
Like phone.
okay, email. And right now it's going to info at. Who else do we want it to go to?
Can we add somebody? I mean, right now I want to leave it at that, but if we
Yeah,
want to,
sure.
like on the weekends or something, add it to somebody else or
We put a comma in there and then we put their email address in.
okay. And then it would go to both.
Yep.
Okay.
Let me take and do this. I got multiple email addresses. Okay, so the message pattern is really, so when you'll see it, it's going to be the fields that we've got typed in here. I want to go here. Oh, go back.
And how do we edit those?
Well, right here in this contact form settings, you can take and add a new field. And the field ID is what you're going to name it. And then, the ID is in there again. So this could be phone and you could put phone number, field options, what the minimum length is. Required field, is it required? Do you want symbols in there or just letters only, numbers only? So there's different things that you can do. There's some conditional logic in there. If you wanted to, is if they take and hit this, that goes to that. But like here, the first name's got to equal something. I don't necessarily want to do that. Oh, let me get back here. I got to figure out what's going on here.
So the phone, there's something
with
wrong
the email.
with the phone. I think it was a phone, wasn't it?
Yeah, but it was saying invalid email. And that should be fine. Phone. See, this is where I got field IDs, phone. The title and what shows up is phone number in the field. It's required. There really isn't too many changes I can make because there isn't any conditional logic on this. And we're not having it so if somebody clicks that, it's going to open up a different, dialog box or something. Let's talk about your new home. Okay. Success message, which would appear, would be thanks for contacting us. We'll be in touch with you soon. And submit button. Then the email where it's supposed to go. Got that set up.
What's redirect?
Redirect would be, instead of having the success message, you would have them go to a particular page that you'd build.
Okay. Like
So,
another, okay.
yeah, if you want to take and have them go to a page saying, hey, thanks, have you thought about this?
Okay.
Kind of deal. Usually just the success message is fine. Spam protection should be in there. That's reCAPTCHA. I used Google's reCAPTCHA 3. So basically, people don't have to say, hey, click on every picture that's got a palm tree on it or a taxi. Basically, it sort of senses whether or not this is a real human or a robot.
Okay. Yeah, because I've gotten some of those from the contact.
Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of people that do that, and it's very annoying. Okay, let me say yes. Try this again. You know what dropped off? I don't see how people can contact you. Okay. What are you looking for? But the other thing is, how should we contact you? That field choice is missing. I wonder if that had something to do with this.
Did it work?
See, preferred contact method. Let me see. Contact method.
Yeah, once you put in your information, it goes away.
These are the options on a drop down. I'm going to say required. There really shouldn't be. That was the only thing difference on those. So let me try that.
Yeah, kind of when you put all that information, it comes off.
Yeah, because I looked at the old form and I said, okay, these are the things that you were asking. So let's see what we should include that into the new form handler.
Yeah, it came away.
It still doesn't show up. Isn't that interesting? Invalid email. And it's highlighting this field.
I wonder if you delete that field and put a new field.
That is really strange. Because that's not an email field. So let's see. really just a text field. So that's, I mean, I don't know why it's, okay. Oh, I'm going to go here and I'm going to take and delete. I'm going to delete the email field. Now I'm going to go back. I'm going to take field options, required, yes, symbols, all yes, go like that. Now I'm going to take and add this. I want to add phone number, field options, required, yes. Okay, now you can see they're actually in the wrong spot. So I just click anywhere in the thing, and I'm going to scroll that up to here. And I'm going to take and scroll the phone up to there. So now I'm just leaving them as single lines. Okay, just want to see how this is going to work first. And maybe I have to take and change that preferred contact method to a single line too. Maybe that's what's causing this little issue. No, it shows up now. No, now it's gone. Interesting. Huh.
Right when you type in first name,
Yeah.
it's got to be with the first name, because once you type in first name, that disappears. If you type in anything else, it's there. So it has to do with the first name.
Okay, now we got everybody this full width. Now let's see, and we recreated the name fields. Oh, you know something I didn't check? I got to check to make sure that the form submission actually has the right fields in there, since I deleted some and I added new ones.
Yeah, it's not there still.
Yeah, so I got to go back here to the email. Yeah. Contact methyl and not method. Okay, let's take the D off of here. Looking for, still looking for. Message is still message. It shouldn't be case sensitive, but I'm just going to put that in there and see what happens. Okay, let's try it now.
That contact method's not on there that I've seen. Yeah.
That is really interesting. Why is that disappearing? I didn't even submit it, add anything yet. Well, I'll keep on fighting with that little battle and get that fixed. And
Okay.
then, well, let's see. Can we send something out now anyhow? Maybe not.
It looks like it. Oh, it says you must be human.
Oh, you're seeing that somewhere?
It says you must be human to submit this form.
Oh, you're seeing that on your side?
Yeah, I'm on another computer and it says that.
Ah, interesting. I'll have to redo the reCAPTCHA. That's weird. I don't know why there would be something different there.
Yeah, it's not giving me a capture thing at all to do. Make sure
You must be
fill in.
human to submit this form. All right, well, let me end this so that we don't, take up too much time on your side and my side. Now I'll get this fixed and then I'll let you know.
Okay.
So, okay, I'm going to stop the share and then I'm going to end our little meeting, get together.
Okay.
All right. Thank
All
you.
right. Thank you.